Hello everyone, welcome back once again. In this question, ABCD is a parallelogram. This ABCD, this is a parallelogram. Angle ABD is 23 degree. Angle ADB, this is 17 degree. And we have to find angle ADC, that is ADC, this angle. Angle DBC DBC, this angle. Angle BCD BCD, this angle. So let's see how to solve this question. First we have to find angle ADC. ADC, this total angle. Okay, from here to here. This angle is given 17 degree. Now AB is parallel to DC and DB is transversal. Okay, so this angle will be equal to this angle, that is this angle is 23 degree. So angle ADC will be equal to 17 degree plus 23 degree, which will give angle ADC is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now second is angle DBC. Angle DBC, this angle. Okay, now here AD is also parallel to CB and this is transversal, right? So this angle will be equal to this angle. This angle is 17 degree, so this will also be of 17 degree. Hence we get angle DBC is equal to 17 degree. Okay, now third is angle BCD, this angle BCD, this angle. Okay, now if we take triangle DBC, so in this triangle, okay, if we take this triangle, so in this triangle we can write angle DBC plus angle CDB plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree, right? DBC is 17 degree, this is 17 degree, and angle BCD, this is 23 degree, here this is 23 degree. So 17 plus 23 plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. This will give angle BCD is equal to 180 minus 40, or angle BCD is equal to 140 degree. So answer is angle ADC is 40 degree, angle DBC is 17 degree, and angle BCD is 140 degree. So I hope this was easy to understand. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such questions. Thanks for watching.